Engineering here, high quality latch system.
Oh, I thought you were going to take a picture.
Well, I'm taking a movie, so push it back together again. We'll show the whole thing. All right, take it apart. All right, that's pretty nice. Don't strain yourself. That one's kind of heavy.
I can't do this.
I know. So this end goes like this. Okay, pick up the other end.
You gotta get it lined up right. And that would be it.
Okay,
That's
we'll push it this way a little bit.
Well, no, that won't work.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
All right.
Okay, wait. There we go.
There we go.
Oh, it's not the same color anymore. But you
Well,
can put oil on this and get it. the
Right.
same color.
This one hasn't been oiled and the other one has. But that's pretty nice. It's big and otherwise it collapsed. So let's take it out real quick.
So,
Get on the other end.
I don't know if Nick is interested in
We don't know if Nick is interested, but
It's a nice wood.
we're shown.
It's heavy.
Nick is going to be rich after the first
He can
month.
buy his own.
He can buy his own.
Okay, so what are we
Okay,
gonna
let's
do with
push this back together. Probably do it myself. Yeah. Man, that is better than any table I ever had, right? Ours, you got to wiggle. Good. Done.